Hey guys, Airsoft Zero here. Haven't made a video in a while, so might as well do an Airsoft unboxing. Um, just got a new gun. It's a G&G combat machine custom with a free float rail, and I just got something new for it. So let's open this up. Put that down for a second. I bought this from Amazon, and it was shipped, I thought, through just a regular shipping company, but they chose this shipping carrier called Laser Ship. And now I've never heard of Laser Ship, and I've never heard of what the reviews are, but when I looked them up, it said it was a bad review. And it's 8 o'clock in the morning right now, so they just delivered the package and woke me up. I mean, it's okay, but I mean, come on, guys. Like, alright, so let's see what's in this box. Get some packaging stuff. Look at that red dot scope. Now, what I got was a red dot, obviously, for my new GMG. I wanted to get a holographic, but I needed one in time for the next game I'm going to. Sorry about that. So it's an ACOG or a Trigicon replica, whatever you guys want to call it. See how you turn this on. Hold up. There we go. Or how do you adjust the windage? Alright, so you got your green dot, and then you got your, if I can go back to it, your red dot. That'll show up. It's like it did. So I'm gonna put this on my gun real quick, and, well, actually I don't think I can, or maybe. Well, I'll put it on in a second. Oh, actually, let me get my screwdriver. Unscrew this thingy. I'm gonna keep my iron sights on these things because sorry if this is a long video. Well, it looks like the iron sights are stripped. Oh, there we go. Oh, never mind. They're not stripped. It's all good. 4 minutes. Alright. Let's put these bad boys on. So this bad boy. Now I'm supposed to be getting another package, but I mean, that's not too important. now, is it? It's not airsoft related. It's just a t-shirt. But there we go. And the whole thing comes off. Okay. Goes on like that. Wonder if I could put that back on. I'll put it on in a second. Alright, where are the screws at? I mean, this light looks real nice. I mean, for the price of it, it was on sale from $50 to 30, which, I mean, that's a pretty good deal. So here's the gun. It's real nice. I like it. So yeah, that's the, if it can show up, there we go. It's basically it. So, what the, okay then, well, that's basically it. That's, been the review of my replica, Trigicon or ACOG or whatever you want to call it. I'll just call it Red Dot Sight. Yeah, that's it. This has been Airsoft Zero. Stay safe and keep airsofting.